Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's maths class? Yes. In our today's maths class, we are going to see a new chapter. Are you all ready? Chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. What is the chapter number? 4. So, what is the chapter name? Position. Position. What is the chapter name? Position. Okay. Let us see what is position. Okay. Position is when you keep something or when you stand somewhere, we call the position, the place where you are standing is called as position. Okay, when you are keeping a book on your table, we say the book is on the table. So that is a position on the table. Where it is on the table. So that we call it as position. Okay. We are having so many types of position. We are going to see few types here. Okay, this is a very small chapter. Okay, we are going to see very few positions. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. First one, on, under, on, under. So, here is the example, right? The bag is on the desk. The bottle is under the desk. So, the bag is on the desk. Where it is kept above the desk. So, we call it as, we can also say it on or above. Here we are saying on. Okay. So the bag is on the desk. The bottle is under the desk. Okay. Yes. So we have so many other examples also. So if you are keeping a book on the table, okay, you are keeping your book on the table and your bag under the table, we will say the book is on the table, the bag is under the table. Yes. When you are writing, where will you keep your book? Your book will be on the table, right? Yes, like that. And you will keep your pencil box under the table, right? That position where we have to keep the pencil box, right? You have a provision to keep. So it is under the table. Okay. So first one, what is it? On, under. What is the first one? On, under. Yes. Can we go to the next one? Yes. Above, below. Above, below. Okay. So, see, and cloud is there. Above the cloud, there is something, and below the cloud there is something. Yes? So, what is above the cloud? It is an aeroplane. Very good. And what is below the cloud? Bird. So, how will you say the aeroplane is above the cloud? The bird is below the cloud. Okay. Do you all understand this? Above, below. Okay. So when you say something is above the object, so what example can we say? So I am writing a sentence like this, okay? I am giving you a line and you are having something above and below, okay? First you will say, you write the above line and then the below line like that, okay? So so we are having the aeroplane above the cloud and below the cloud. Okay, did you all understand this? Yes. You can create your own examples, okay, children? You can create and you can write and keep it. When you come, you can show it to me, okay? For on and under, above and below. We are having so many. You can create and show it to me, okay? Yes. Next one, before, between, after. Okay. So we have learned this somewhere. You should remember that. Where did we learn this? Before, between, after? Yes, we learned in numbers, right? Like that we can use it with the pictures like animals. And when you are sitting, when three of you are sitting, who is in between both of you, like that we will ask, right? So that is the exact example of this. So can we see what is there here? Yes. So there is an elephant, zebra and giraffe. Okay. So which is the zebra is in between. Okay. So the elephant is before the zebra. Okay. The giraffe is after the zebra. Zebra is between the elephant and giraffe. Okay. So with numbers also we can relate this. Okay. So what is before 3? 2. What is after 3? 4. So what is between 2 and 4? 3. Okay. So you can relate this with max numbers also. Okay. So you have to create your own examples with this one also. So what is the next one here? Inside, outside. Okay. You all know inside, outside, right? It's a very normal one. When you are inside the classroom, when you come in, you are inside the classroom. When you go out, you are outside the classroom. Yes? So, what is here? What is the example here? Candies and biscuits, right? We will see. Candies are inside the jar, biscuits are outside the jar. So, what is outside the jar? Biscuits are outside the jar and candies are inside the jar. Okay, for example, you are having a pencil box. Okay, you are taking one pencil out of your pencil box. So, you are having an eraser inside your box and pencil outside the box. Okay? So, inside, outside. First, what did we see? What did we see first? On, under. Next one, above, below. Next one, before, between, after. And then inside and outside. Yes? And next one, top, bottom. Okay, you all know this, right? Top, bottom. So, what is the example given here? A boy is standing on the top of the ladder and a girl is standing at the bottom of the ladder, right? Yes. So, can you all see this now? Yes. So, the boy is standing up the ladder. So, when you are up, we say it as top. When you are down, we can call it as bottom. Okay. So, what is the example here? The boy is on top of the ladder. The girl is at the bottom of the ladder. Okay? So, what is given here? Top, bottom. Okay? Next one. Far, near. Far, near. Yes? So, the rabbit is near the deer. The elephant is far from the deer. Yes. When you are sitting in the first bench, you are near to the teacher, right? When you are sitting in the last bench, you are far away from the teacher, correct? So, like that, the rabbit is near the deer and the elephant is far away from the deer. Okay? So, near, far. So, did you all understand, children? What is the first one we saw? Under, on, under. Next one, above, below, before, between, after, inside, outside, top, bottom, near, far. Okay, so here we are having few examples that we are going to do. You are going to write and keep it safe, okay? Are you all ready to write it, children? Yes. So with the example, you are going to write the answers, okay? The rat is dash the table. Wow, where is the rat? The rat is on the table. Where is the rat? The rat is on. So write on here. Okay, my pen is thick. You can write it inside the box. Next one. The cat is. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Yes. So you can understand this. The rat is on the table and the cat is under the table. Yes. Now you tell me the next one. What is it? The fish is dash the bowl. The cat is dash the bowl. What will come here? Think what and all we thought today, we read today, that will be the answer here. What will come here? Inside, outside. Okay. So the fish is inside the bowl. The cat is outside the bowl. Okay. Did you all understand this? Next one. Book, pen and pencil box. 3 items are here. What is given here? The book is dash the pen. The pencil box is dash the pen. So book is above the pen. Pencil box is below the pen. Okay. And next one. The monkey and the cat. Okay. Two things are there. The monkey is on dash of the pole. The cat is at the dash of the pole. So what is it? The monkey is on the top of the pole. The cat is at the bottom of the pole. Okay? Yes. The last one. See, I gave you example, right? Like that it has come. See. 1, 2 and 3. 1 is what? After or before? Before 2. Okay? 1 is before 2. Then 3 is what is 3? 3 is before 3 is after 2. Okay? And then 2 is in between, right? 2 is between 1 and 3. Okay? So these are the things that you are going to write. The first one, this one. This A, B, C, D and E. You are going to write all this and keep it safe, okay? I will meet you in the next class, children. Take care, be healthy. Thank you.